This isn't a resort. This is your backyard. This beautiful lakefront home is perfectly positioned in a quiet cove with over 160 feet of shoreline. Inside this open, spacious floor plan, there are lake views from nearly every room. Step outside into this lakefront oasis with a sparkling pool, a sauna, and a 2-well large concrete cruiser dock. And just when you thought it couldn't get more beautiful, you'll discover a one-of-a-kind natural waterfall on the adjoining lot. For more information on this incredible new listing, give us a call at the Krantz office at 573-30